gifts. I am sure all of us love them. Birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, festival gifts, welcome gifts, farewell gifts. There is gift for every event, every occasion and every special moment in life. Or is it like, gift makes, even an ordinary moment, a special one? Definitely at times, you would have been confused whether to gift something or not. Frankly, I have been confused many times. And then, I asked the question, why do we gift at all? I mean, not at a particular moment, but any time. Why do we gift in the first place? What does it do? Definitely, it does not change anything drastically. Then, why do we have gifts for every event in life? Have you been thinking the same? Let's try to find out. Gift giving has been part of human culture for thousands of years. But, let's not get into the history here. Let's focus on the reason behind it, and how it affects the recipient as well as the giver. In today's world, many times, gifting seems to be some kind of custom or a tradition. Very often, we feel socially obliged to gift. If, say, someone has presented me a gift on my birthday or my marriage anniversary, then it feels like a debt which needs to be repaid. It feels like I have to gift the person just because he or she has gifted me at some time. Even we pay attention to the cost of the gift and try to match it. In the past, there were reasons why these traditions were created. For example, gifting a newlywed couple made a lot of sense, as different gifts from various people will help the couple to comfortably start a new life, set up a new home. So, it was kind of a community support program, but eventually it became a custom where the original relevance was forgotten. And today, when most of the wedding couples are already well settled, gifting is mere a customary requirement for many. But, beyond all of this, gifting has a very special place in our culture. It has a very deep, symbolic meaning. Away from all the customary and traditional needs, there are very fundamental reasons behind gifting. Gift is a language beyond words. In true sense, it helps us express our feelings for the person we are gifting. It helps us to strengthen our ties with our fellow beings. It conveys the very important message that their existence matters in our life. We give gifts for many reasons. We give gift to show people that we are grateful to them and value the role that they play in our life. A thoughtful gift relating to a person's nature or interests conveys your genuine appreciation for them. To our near and dear ones, gift is a way of expressing our love for them. Many a times, gifts are to celebrate one's personal accomplishments, some important milestones in life, like passing of an important exam, winning of a sports competition, or joining the first job of the career. Gifts on such occasions make the recipient realize the importance of their achievement and encourages them to continue their efforts. Exchanging gifts on particular festivals helps us show cultural understanding towards each other. It helps express the respect for every culture in the society, and thus strengthen the human-to-human bond for a better society. Gifting is not limited to personal relations sphere, but it plays an important role even in the professional world. Be it a joining gift for an employee by the company or gifts exchanged between people of different organizations during business dealing. They help express the value and respect of the relation and strengthen them. As a receiver, sometimes we deny accepting gifts, primarily not believing in materialistic values or for some professional reasons. But we should always remember that, in this process, it's the feelings of the gift giver which are important than the gift itself. But there's no practice without a flip side, and gifting as its own. In present time, the material value of gifting has become more important than its emotional value. Often, we judge the gift and its giver by its cost and not by the feelings attached. At the same time, gifting has not just become tradition, but also a means to influence people for personal or professional gains. And in such scenarios, there remains a very fine line between gift and bribe. So friends, gifting in its true sense is a wonderful way of expressing your feelings, love, joy, affection, appreciation and thoughtfulness towards each other. irrespective of small or big, tangible or intangible, cheap or costly, fancy or simple. Your gift will definitely make a face smile, and I believe this is reason enough to gift someone. Also, I believe there is no perfect gift, rather, every gift is perfect if the intention is genuine, and the best time for the gift is when it is not expected. What do you think? Let me know your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy gifting.